Your transmission is essential to smooth movement, reliable shifting, and overall vehicle performance. When you notice slipping, hesitation, or rough shifts, professional care can help protect your drive. At Hector's Auto Repair, expert transmission, repair and service provides the attention your vehicle needs to perform with confidence. For trusted service and specialized European vehicle care, visit Hector's Auto Repair, your European specialist in Los Angeles, located at 7020 South Vermont Avenue. Call 323-750-3300 or 323-455-0954. Hector's Auto Repair. Trusted transmission care starts here.